I'm Denise Buchanan. I'm the president of Sacred Garden Designs. We're a landscape design build company. We specialize in creating landscapes that are actually drought tolerant, but are also mindful of the climate changes that occur. We walk through the garden to see what the existing conditions are. If it's a high water use garden, our first line of defense would be to really talk about taking out the lawn. The alternatives for lawn replacement could be ground cover with mulch, succulents, or low water use plants. You have aloes, you have sedums, and then you have senecio. It's very good in terms of it has its own water supplies. Kangaroo paw, forest pansy redbud, camellia japonica. The New Zealand flax, this is a Maori Queen variety, and Berkeley sedge is really good as an alternative for grass. Put plants in place that would be adaptable to the climate conditions, as well as the soil conditions, as well as the sun-shade conditions. We have a system that's weather-based. If the weather report schedules rain for one day, the weather-based system would pick that up and reduce or cancel the water for that particular day. And we put in place a drip system that actually runs along the root system at the base of the plants so that each plant is individually addressed and taken care of, and you don't waste water with sprinkler systems that actually just spew water out, and there's a lot of evaporation that happens. So this is a recirculating water feature. There's a reservoir below the urn here that actually you fill up and the water keeps recirculating. But water features in the landscape are very important. Birds actually flock to this and use this as a bird bath. We make sure we use materials that are either biodegradable or are sourced from materials that have been recycled. It's important to look at whoever you are selecting for your landscape contractor to make sure they're respectful of the land, as well as your needs, as well as the materials that they use on site, that they're biodegradable, compostable, as well as right plant, right place, right water conditions, right everything for the particular location of your design intention. If you can do your part locally, then you contribute to helping the global situation.